is going to be open.
Yes.
You step in here like this at the 90 position.
Right.
Right? You step in. Right? And this is not
Have the
going
90.
anywhere.
No.
Right? And then someone behind him would lower this into position.
Right.
And he can sit.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
So you got clear passageway in.
Yes.
Narrow legs that fit on the level surface. Nothing's rocking.
Right.
He has this ability if he wants to stand. It's something to hold on to. If you had to change it, it's just a simple lift up,
And forward.
over. And you can step. You can regulate if you wanted
And he
to.
does. Yes.
Come here like this. If you wanted
Right.
to sit, then just come over here like this. If you felt you wanted something else to hold on to, or here, or here.
Mm-hmm.
So it offers a lot of flexibility.
And he
Here he
does.
comes out,
Right.
up and out of the way.
Here.
Here,
Mat. Yes.
and step.
Perfect.
You're done.